Relaxing in Shavasana. Bring your feet together, hands beside your body. Slowly lift your legs almost 45 degrees off the floor and lift your hands off the floor. Lift your upper body off the floor and stay in the pose for next 10 to 20 seconds. Relax your shoulders and knees in line. Feet are together. Stay. And slowly coming out from the pose. So place your upper back on the floor, head on the floor. Relax your shoulders and hands. Bring your legs on the floor and relax in Shavasana.